Tracy's making a boat.
How do I make a boat?
I don't know if I remember. I think you just tuck the corners in. Don't you kind of flip it? You flip the brim up?
Maybe.
The opposite. You kind of flip it inside out or something like that. It's been a long time.
We flipped it up.
Yeah.
And then we're back to that again.
Yeah. And then you can kind of invert it from the middle. Here, hand it to me. Let me see if I can think of it.
This is a hat.
Yep. Okay. It's a captain's hat, but then the captain needs both. It's kind of something to do with the center. What am I gonna do? And then something with the middle, like that you can kind of I don't know, it's been a long time. Oh, this paper is terrible. Want a boat? It's the best I can do at the moment.
Now someone's going to tell you that you're littered.
Well, even if I put it in a boat shape, it'd still be littering. It's gonna come back to shore, I think, anyway. She figured it out, and you know what? I didn't put it on video because I was too late, but also because we haven't revealed the secret.
Yeah, it's going to come back.
That's okay, that's okay. Oh, very nice. That's nice. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. We were sailing along on Moonlight Bay. We could hear the voices ringing. They seemed to say, oh, the moon was shining bright along the Wabash. From the fields there comes a breath of new mown hay. Through the sycamore the candle lights are gleaming on the banks of the Wabash